Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to start building your website at connect.dataczar.com. So let's go to dataczar.com. We're going to click Login. Let's get our email address and password. Okay, that'll take us to Dashboard on the main menu. Let's get rid of that. We're going to go full screen. So to work on your website, you're going to click on the Website button. This is how you're going to start building your website. These are the editing tools, post pages, and settings. We're going to be going over those in just a minute. You also have a public preview URL, and if you have a domain registered, it's going to show right here, and you can click on your domain to view your website. The public preview URL goes just to our main server, so while you're updating your website, if you want to review your changes, click on this. It's going to update immediately, whereas if you click on your domain, since it's going to servers all around the world, it could take a few minutes to update. So let's go ahead and click on our public preview. This is our website right now, our AAA Webinar AAA Outdoor Scenes, and this is what your website looks like when you register. The home page is blank, and you have a welcome post here. So let's go ahead and update this. Let's go ahead and go back to Connect. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to edit our welcome post. So let's go ahead and click on Posts. And under Welcome, we're going to click Edit. And this is the welcome post here. So for the welcome post, let's go ahead and add a featured image. So we're going to choose Image here and choose Files. And let's go ahead and find that image here, El Cajon Mountain. Double click on that, click Upload, and there it is. There's our featured image. And then let's go ahead and grab some words here. So this is the welcome to our website. Let's go ahead and bring that down. Let's put our words in here. And this is our first blog post, Beautiful El Cajon Mountain. Let's go ahead and center that. And we'll go 18 point. And we'll make this, let's say, 14 point. And we're going to actually add this to our home page. Let's go ahead and remove that from the post because we're going to add it to our home page. So let's go ahead and scroll down, and we're going to click Update. And we just edited our welcome post. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to edit our home page. So we're going to run Website. Now to work on our page, we're going to click on Pages. And under Home Index, we're going to edit our home page. And again, we're going to add a featured image here. And we're going to go choose Files. And this one here. And click the green Upload button. And there it is. And let's go down here and let's go ahead and add to our, this is where you're going to add to your pages. This is the editing box, and there's all the editing tools right across the top. If you want to insert media here, you can edit an image here. You can add a link to a page here. And we have different webinars on all this stuff, tutorial videos, so make sure you view our other tutorial videos. And let's go ahead and grab some words here. Let's keep this moving. Let's go ahead and paste this in. And we'll go here. We'll center that. And let's go 18 point. And then for the subtitle, we're going to go 14 point. Let's bring this down. And let's go on sign up for our newsletter. Let's go left. And let's go 12 point on that. Okay, welcome to Webinar AAA Outdoor Scenes. We specialize in hiking, photography, and the great outdoors. Sign up for our newsletter below, receive informative updates, fun trails, cool photos, and more. So let's go ahead and, one more thing. Let's add a photo right here. So if you want to add an image inside of a page or a post, you can do that. And you're going to click on the Insert Edit Image icon here. And we're going to do a search on the file. Now we can upload an image, but I preloaded an image on this one. I preloaded this one here, these giant redwoods. So they're going to go ahead and click on that. Click OK. That's really big. Let's go ahead and size it down just a bit. We just grab this corner We'll just drag it down, maybe a little bit more. Okay, still big. Okay, so that looks really good. So there's our home page. Let's go ahead and click Update. And now that we've edited our post and we've also edited our home page, let's go back to the website. So this is the website now. Now let's go ahead and refresh it. Let's do a Control F5 and we'll refresh the website right here. And there it is. So there's the featured image on the home page. Welcome to AAA Outdoor Scenes. We specialize in hiking, photography, and the great outdoors. And then sign up for our newsletter below. And then there's our welcome post. So there's the website that we just adjusted. Your website also comes with your contact information in a bottom menu as well as the top menu. So let's go ahead and go back. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to go to Settings. And when we click on Settings, right now we're using the main template. There's a lot of different templates to choose. The one I'm going to choose is Cyborg. And then while we're in Settings, this is the name of your website. Make sure you have the name exactly how you want it. We want it as that, Webinar AAA Outdoor Scenes. And then also, if you want to do a logo, you can add a logo to your website here. So let's go ahead and do the logo. We're going to get back to the template in just a second. So we're going to choose a logo. And we're going to choose Files. And let's go ahead and take this one right here and click the green Upload button. And there it is. We have a logo. We've changed our template to Cyborg. So let's go ahead and click Update. Anytime you update a page, a post, settings, you have to remember to always click the green Update button. And real quick, let's get out of full screen. And I just want to show you real quick, we have help.dataczar.com. And this is our help site. So we have all our FAQ in here. And under website, it says how to use website templates. So click on that. And these are all the templates that we have. Dark and Stormy, Cerulean, Cosmos, Cyborg. This is the one that we're switching to. So here's all the different templates, and you can find that under our help site. So let's go ahead and close these up. And let's go back to full screen. Okay, so we just adjusted our template to Cyborg. This is what the main template looks like. This is the website. So let's go ahead and do a hard reset. So there it is. There's our logo that we just added. And this is our new look. So this is the Cyborg look. And everything else is the same. We have the welcome post, top and bottom menus, all that. So let's go ahead and go back to Connect. And so we just did that. And now what we're going to do is we're going to create a page. We're going to go ahead and go to Pages. And let's go ahead and create a new page. We're going to call it Blog. So we're going to click on Pages here. Add a page. We're clicked on Add a Page. This we're going to call Blog. So let's go ahead and under the blog, we're going to add a featured image. And choose Files. And let's go to this one right here. Click the green Upload. And when you click the green Upload, all these images go to your content, so they save them for later too. You can preload in your content if you want to, but we're just doing it as we go along here. And let's go here. And we're going to go ahead and put a title on this page. Let's paste that in. Let's go ahead and make that 18 point again. I'd like to be consistent with the fonts and the font sizes. So there it is. We now have a blog page, and since we're going to include the posts on our blog page, you want to click Include Post, and it's going to be on the top menu. Let's go ahead and click Create. So now we created a blog page. Let's go back to Pages, and we're going to now go to our contact page. You want to edit our contact page real quick here. So we click on Edit. This is the contact form. We're going to show you how it shows on the website in just a moment, but you'll want to leave that there. But what we're going to do before the contact form is we're going to add some words. Drop us a line. We'd love to hear from you, and that's going to show up above the contact form. Now, if you want to add your phone number, your direct email address, this is a good place to add it as well. If you don't want people to see your email address, you can just, leave the contact form. But I would recommend leaving the contact form even if you add your email address. So I'm going to go ahead and have that show on the top and bottom menu. So I'm going to check top menu as well. And we're going to go ahead and click Update. And there it is. We've updated our contact form as well. So the next thing we want to do here is we want to go to Manage Accounts. So the Manage Accounts button, it also has the name of your account. Make sure that the name of your account, we're going to click the Edit here, Edit button. Make sure the name of your account matches your website name, because when you do newsletter signups, there's a confirmation, a double opt-in. So you want to make sure when people receive the email that they know it's from AAA Outdoor Scene. So make sure that the business name matches the website name. And then also we're going to go ahead and add some social media. So let's go here. Let's add our Facebook. We'll just paste that in. We're just going to use our Dataczar Corp Facebook page. So this information here shows on the map on your website. If you don't want it to show, you uncheck it. If you want it to show, you check. So we'll have that, leave that checked so it shows on our map. But this is the information that shows on your website, and this is where you adjust that. That's on the bottom menu where the map is. So let's go ahead and click Update. And now that's going to take us back to Dashboard, and that's all been updated. So let's go ahead and take a look at the website. And let's do a hard reset. So let's do Control F5. And there it is. Across the top, we have our home page, our blog page, our contact page, and our Facebook. So let's click on the Facebook. And there it is. So let's tab back over. Let's look at the contact page. We added this, drop us a line. We'd love to hear from you. And there's the contact form. And again, you can add your phone number. You can add email directly at, or fill out the contact form below, that sort of thing. And then on the blog page, this is the Welcome to AAA Outdoor Scenes blog. And there's our welcome post. And you'll notice you have the top menu and the bottom menu. Right now on the bottom menu, we only have the contact page. But here's the information that shows under the Manage Accounts that we just went over, and there's the map. So, and here's the home page. So let's go ahead and go back to Connect. Okay. And so that's pretty much how the website looks. And now we're back on Dashboard, and that's pretty much it. That's how you start building your website with Dataczar Connect.